BMW's 3 Series effectively defines the sports sedan segment, so the introduction of an all-new model is big news. Here in LA, BMW is showing off its current range-topping M340i, so let's dive into the new generation. Now in its 6th installment, the 3 Series has a lot of competition from old rivals and new, so it has to step up its performance, style, and technology significantly to stay relevant. On the outside, the new 3 Series doesn't look dramatically different from its predecessor, but it uses a new body shell made from a mix of high-strength steel and aluminum. Despite being slightly larger than the outgoing model, the 2023 series is up to 121 pounds lighter. The new 3 Series also boasts a slippery drag coefficient of 0.26. It also incorporates adaptive LED headlights into BMW's Laserlight system, which redirects light automatically to avoid blinding other drivers while the high beams are on. The first new 3 Series variant to hit showrooms will be the 330i. It features standard rear-wheel drive, optional xDrive all-wheel drive, and a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. BMW will then launch the M340i in both rear drive and xDrive forms with a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 producing 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The 330e plug-in hybrid will return as well. The 3 Series has been a manual transmission holdout, but BMW confirmed it won't offer the 7th generation with a stick in the US. That's bad news for purists, but good news for rivals like Genesis that still offer a manual in their sports sedans. The M340i will do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds with all-wheel drive. Like all modern BMWs, the 2023 series will be available with an array of driver aids. The adaptive cruise control system works at speeds up to 130 miles per hour and can brake the car to a complete stop, according to BMW. On limited access highways at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, a traffic jam assist system can keep the car moving without any control inputs. A parking assist feature can automatically maneuver the car into parallel or perpendicular spaces. The updated iDrive infotainment system works through a standard 8.8-inch touchscreen and a 5.7-inch digital instrument cluster in base models. The optional Live Cockpit Professional version enlarges the display to 12.3 inches and 10.25 inches, respectively. The 3 Series also gets BMW's new Alexa-like personal assistant, which responds to the prompt, "Hey BMW," and natural language commands like, "Find the nearest gas station." BMW Digital Key lets owners use a smartphone in place of a conventional key fob. The 2020 BMW 3 Series goes on sale in the US this coming March, priced from $41,245 with rear drive and $43,245 with xDrive all-wheel drive. These prices include destination. The M340i will arrive later in 2019, followed by the 330e plug-in hybrid in 2020. More sophisticated, more powerful, and more spacious, the new 3 Series looks promising, but I will find out for sure next week when I test out the car in Europe. Look for that review soon on digitaltrends.com/cars.